Hey, yo, what's up? Guess what? It's Munzee Monday, of course. And today's episode of Munzee, I'm going to show you how easy it is to place a physical Munzee. So, first thing you're going to need is one of these. Yeah, this is a Munzee sticker. And you're going to need, along with the Munzee sticker, your cell phone. On your cell phone, you're going to open to that Munzee app. You're going to press the Munzee on the bottom there. It says a big M to scan. You open your scanning tool. You get a message. You don't get a message. That was a message. Name it. Doesn't matter. Anyway, all I'm going to do is I'm going to scan this. Boom. You hear that beep? That was a scan. Now all I have to do is give it a name. So the name I gave this one is Little Greenie on a Greenie. It's a little Greenie, and it's going to be on a green telephone thing. Okay, so I took my glasses off for this one. It now shows the location of it on a little map, and all I have to do is press the check button. Make it a special? Nope, not today. Congrats, Little Greenie on a Greenie is now placed. And now edit the location, make sure it's exactly where I need it, and I'll show you how to put it on in just 2 seconds. Okay, so what you do, all you do is take this, take off the back, and that's it. That's all you have to do when you place a Munzee. That's it. And it's all published and everything. I don't have to wait for a reviewer or nothing. It's just all published and ready to go. With that, this has been Munzee Monday. This has been Munzee Monday, and I'm GeoJerry, and thanks for watching Geojerry'sAdventures. Adventures. And make sure you subscribe, and I will see you guys on the Munzee Trail, and I'll also see you on the geocaching trail too. I'll see you later. Bye.